How to export data from Money Manager. In today's video, I'll show you how to export your data from the Money Manager app so you can save, share, or analyze your financial info outside the app. Let's dive in. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. Here, tap the More icon right here. Then scroll down and tap on Backup right here. Look for the option called Export Data. Right here you can see it. Now select the format you want, usually CSV or Excel, which are easy to open on most computers and spreadsheet apps. So here tap on Export Data to Excel. Tap on Monthly. Now here you can export your data to email. Simply type in your email, and once you type in your email, send it by tapping on this, and that's it. Exporting your Money Manager data is quick and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.